Are you a registered SSS employer member and want to register your employer number online? Watch this video and learn how to register your ER number online.
Hi, welcome to Unported channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to register your SSS employer number online. To register, open your computer browser. I prefer to use Google Chrome. In your computer browser, type in the address bar, www.sss.gov.ph. Wait for the website to be fully loaded. A CAPTCHA will pop up on the main page. Just answer it to proceed by ticking the box beside "I'm not a robot" and then click the submit button. Then, next is click the employer portal. On the employer portal homepage, select which type of employer you belong. Regular employer, household employer, or coverage and collection partner. For this video, I'm going to select regular employer option. Now, just fill out all the necessary information to register your SSS employer number. Information such as employer ID, date of coverage, complete address, landline number, mobile number, company email address, and your preferred user ID. Input also your personal SSS details such as SSS number, complete name, and email address. After inputting all the needed information, tick the box beside "I accept the terms of service" and then click the submit button. Then, open your email to confirm your online registration. You will receive an email from SSS for account validation. Open the mail, then proceed on setting up your preferred password by clicking the highlighted text clicking here. Input your preferred password. Your password must contain 8 to 10 alphanumeric characters and no special characters. After inputting, click the submit button. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your employer number online. I hope this video helps you. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Unported Tutorial TV now.